The ocean is indeed a dangerous place, filled with various hazards and potentially harmful creatures. While it's important to be cautious and aware of potential risks, it's also crucial to note that not all encounters with these animals result in harm. Here at Fact-A-Rama we will go over the 15 types of fish that are often considered the most dangerous. Stick around so that you know the dangers of the ocean. 1. Needlefish. Needlefish may appear harmless due to their small size, but they possess certain characteristics that make them surprisingly dangerous. These slender fish, measuring around 1 meter in length and weighing approximately 4 kilograms, have a distinctive long, sharp, and bony beak. This beak, also known as a rostrum, is designed for catching prey and can cause significant harm. One of the most remarkable and potentially hazardous behaviors of needlefish is their ability to leap out of the water at high speeds, reaching up to 60 kilometers per hour. This behavior is often observed when they are attracted to lights from boats or other sources. Unfortunately, these leaps can result in unexpected and dangerous encounters with humans. In their natural habitats, particularly in the Indian and Pacific Oceans, needlefish have been known to cause serious injuries to unsuspecting sailors. Due to their sharp beaks and the force of their leaps, they can impale humans with alarming ease. This has led to them being considered even more dangerous than sharks in certain regions, especially for fishermen working in needlefish-infested areas. 2. Stingray. Stingrays are fascinating creatures known for their flattened bodies and long, whip-like tails. At the base of their tails, they possess a stinger, or barb, which is used as a defensive mechanism when they feel threatened or provoked. While stingrays are generally docile and non-aggressive, they can deliver a painful sting if they are accidentally stepped on or cornered. Stingrays typically inhabit shallow coastal waters, where they spend much of their time buried in the sand. They rely on their excellent camouflage to blend in with their surroundings, making them difficult to spot. When approached or inadvertently stepped on, stingrays may instinctively defend themselves by rapidly flexing their tails, causing the stinger to pierce the intruder's skin. The sting itself can be excruciatingly painful and often results in secondary symptoms. The venom delivered through the stinger can cause local tissue damage, leading to swelling, redness, and intense pain around the site of the sting. Other common secondary symptoms may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, muscle cramps, and even allergic reactions in some cases. In the event of a stingray sting, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention. The wound should be cleaned thoroughly, and medical professionals will assess the severity of the sting and administer appropriate treatment. Prompt medical care can help manage pain, prevent infection, and address any potential complications that may arise. 3. Giant moray eel. Giant moray eels, reaching lengths of up to 3 meters, are notable for their size and behavior. While they are generally not aggressive, divers should exercise caution when interacting with them, especially during feeding attempts. These eels have been known to lunge forward and bite the fingers of divers who get too close. Giant moray eels are predominantly found in the Indian and Pacific Oceans, where they spend a significant amount of time in their burrows, observing their surroundings. Despite their intimidating appearance, they typically do not pose a threat unless provoked or when divers attempt to feed them. When divers approach too closely or attempt to hand-feed the eels, they may mistake fingers or other appendages for food and bite down. These bites can be painful and may cause injury. 4. Barracuda. Barracudas are formidable apex predators known for their sharp teeth and hunting prowess. Typically, their primary targets are other fish, and they pose little threat to humans. However, it's important to exercise caution when encountering barracudas, especially in murky or low-visibility waters, as they may occasionally mistake human limbs for prey. In clear waters, barracudas can discern the difference between humans and their usual prey. However, when visibility is compromised, such as in murky conditions or areas with limited light, the flash of movement or the silhouette of a limb may trigger their instinctual hunting response. In such circumstances, they may bite human arms or legs, misidentifying them as potential prey targets. It's worth noting that these instances of barracuda attacks on humans are relatively rare, and most encounters with these creatures are harmless. Barracudas typically avoid human interaction and prefer to feed on smaller fish species. 5. Anglerfish. Anglerfish, known for their menacing appearance and unique lure-like appendage, primarily inhabit the depths of the ocean. These deep-sea dwellers are not a direct threat to humans due to their inaccessible habitat. With over 200 different species, anglerfish have adapted to survive in the extreme conditions of the deep sea. They possess a prominent lure that hangs in front of their mouths, which they use to attract prey. Once their prey comes close enough, the anglerfish swiftly clamps down on it with its formidable set of teeth. 6. Box jellyfish. Box jellyfish are equipped with one of the most potent stinging mechanisms found in marine creatures. Their tentacles carry venom that can inflict severe pain, lead to heart failure, and cause lasting scars. It is highly advisable for swimmers to steer clear of any contact with these creatures. Box jellyfish, found throughout the Indian and Pacific Oceans, have a remarkable size, with some species growing up to 10 feet in length. Each tentacle is lined with numerous specialized cells called cnidocytes, which are armed with stinging structures known as nematocysts. These nematocysts deliver venom upon contact, leading to excruciating pain and a range of potentially life-threatening effects. The venom of box jellyfish targets the cardiovascular system, nervous system, and skin cells, making it particularly dangerous. In severe cases, victims can go into shock, experience heart failure, or even die within moments of exposure. Survivors often endure weeks of considerable pain and may be left with significant scarring at the points of contact. 7. Killer whales. Killer whales, despite being the largest members of the dolphin family, are formidable predators. While instances of attacks on humans in the wild are uncommon, there have been incidents of captive killer whales causing harm to their trainers. Killer whales, also known as orcas, possess incredible strength and intelligence. In the wild, they are known to hunt and feed on a variety of prey, including seals, fish, and even other whales. They have a complex social structure and often work together in coordinated efforts to secure their meals. While interactions between killer whales and humans in their natural habitat are generally peaceful, incidents involving captive killer whales have raised concerns. In captivity, killer whales may exhibit abnormal behavior, stress, or frustration, which can occasionally lead to aggressive acts towards their trainers. 8. Reef stonefish. The reef stonefish, known for its mastery of disguise, is an expert at blending in with its surroundings on the sea floor. These fish possess venomous spines that can inflict excruciating pain, lead to heart failure, and, if left untreated, result in fatal outcomes. Reef stonefish are predominantly found in coral reefs across the Indian and Pacific Oceans. With their rough exterior resembling rocks or lumps of coral, they are experts at concealment. They rely on this camouflage to ambush unsuspecting prey swiftly, using their remarkable speed to dart out and capture their meals. While reef stonefish typically do not pose a danger to humans, they can become a threat if they feel threatened or provoked. What sets them apart are the 13 dorsal spines on their spine, each one containing highly toxic venom. When disturbed, these spines can inflict severe pain, leading to various symptoms, including heart complications and, in extreme cases, death. Fortunately, since 1959, there has been an available anti-venom to treat reef stonefish stings. Additionally, it is recommended to soak the affected area in hot water, as it may help alleviate the pain associated with the venom. 9. Goliath tigerfish. The mambenga, also known as the Goliath tigerfish, is a formidable species of fish that has gained a fearsome reputation. These large fish have been reported to display aggression towards crocodiles and even humans, making them a potential danger due to their willingness to take on larger prey. Found in the Congo River Basin, Goliath tigerfish can grow up to 1.5 meters in length and weigh as much as 50 kilograms. They are known for their ambush hunting style, swiftly launching themselves at smaller fish and clamping down on them with their powerful jaws, armed with sharp teeth that can grow up to an inch long. What makes the Goliath tigerfish particularly dangerous is their propensity to attack prey much larger than themselves, including crocodiles and, rarely, humans. These aggressive encounters have led to numerous stories and accounts of their assaults throughout the Congo River Basin. 10. Red-bellied piranhas. Piranhas, known for their carnivorous nature, primarily feed on smaller fish. However, in certain circumstances, such as when food is scarce, they can engage in feeding frenzies and exhibit aggression towards larger prey, including humans. Red-bellied piranhas, found in the Amazon River and its tributaries, are a notable species of these carnivorous fish. Growing up to 50 centimeters in length and weighing around 5 kilograms, they possess sharp teeth and a powerful bite. Typically, they chase down and consume worms, crustaceans, and smaller fish, and may scavenge for plants and insects as well. During times of food scarcity, piranhas may band together in a feeding frenzy, where they aggressively attack and consume larger prey within a matter of minutes. While their primary victims are typically animals like capybaras or egrets, rare instances of piranhas attacking humans have occurred, leading to horrifying outcomes. 11. Swordfish. Swordfish are renowned for their distinctive feature, the sharp bill that extends from their upper jaw. They utilize this formidable weapon to slash through schools of fish, swiftly maneuvering and capturing their prey. While their hunting technique poses little threat to humans, it is important to exercise caution when interacting with swordfish, particularly when they are harpooned. When a swordfish is harpooned, it can become highly dangerous, potentially causing damage to both boats and humans. When impaled, the instinctual response of a swordfish is to jump or dive, which can result in collisions or injuries to those in close proximity. 12. Puffer fish. Puffer fish possess a unique ability to inflate their bodies as a defense mechanism when threatened. Alongside this remarkable adaptation, they are also capable of releasing a potent neurotoxin. It is crucial to exercise caution when encountering these fish, as their flesh can be hazardous if consumed, and their spikes contain venom. When faced with a perceived threat, puffer fish quickly inflate themselves by ingesting water or air, expanding their bodies into a round and spiky form. This serves as a deterrent to potential predators. Furthermore, puffer fish have specialized organs that produce a potent neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin. Tetrodotoxin is one of the most potent natural toxins known to man. It affects the nervous system, leading to paralysis, seizures, and potentially even death if consumed in sufficient quantities. The toxin is primarily concentrated in the internal organs and certain tissues of the puffer fish, including the liver, ovaries, and skin. Additionally, the spikes on the puffer fish's body contain venom, which can cause painful puncture wounds if handled carelessly. 13. Lionfish. Lionfish possess venomous spines that can inflict intense pain, induce sweating, and even lead to respiratory distress in humans. Moreover, these fish have become an invasive species, posing a significant threat to native marine life. Lionfish, with their striking appearance and venomous spines, command attention. When provoked or threatened, these spines can cause excruciating pain and trigger a range of adverse reactions in humans. The venom can result in sweating, local tissue inflammation, and in severe cases, respiratory difficulties. Beyond their venomous nature, lionfish have become a concerning invasive species in many marine ecosystems. Originally native to the Indo-Pacific region, they have rapidly spread to other parts of the world, including the eastern seaboard and the Mediterranean. Their population density can reach alarming levels, sometimes exceeding 350 fish per hectare on certain reefs. As an invasive species, lionfish pose a significant threat to native marine life. They have voracious appetites and indiscriminately prey upon smaller reef fish, leading to substantial declines in their populations. The decimation of endemic species, such as small reef fish in the Bahamas, within a short time frame is a worrisome consequence of their proliferation. 14. Kangaroo. Kangaroo, also known as vampire fish, are small parasitic fish found in the Amazon River. They have gained attention due to anecdotes and legends surrounding their supposed tendency to swim into human orifices, particularly the urethra. However, it is important to approach these stories with caution, as scientific verification is lacking. Many scientists believe that the notion of kangaroo deliberately seeking out human orifices is largely exaggerated. It is more likely that any interaction between kangaroo and humans occurs unintentionally. These incidents, if they indeed happen, are likely rare and not representative of typical behavior. 15. Great white sharks. Great white sharks, as apex predators, are renowned for their impressive size and powerful jaws. While attacks on humans by these majestic creatures are relatively rare, the consequences can be severe if such incidents occur. Measuring up to 6 meters in length and weighing over 2.5 tons, great white sharks command both respect and fascination. Their formidable presence and remarkable hunting abilities make them top predators in the oceanic realm. While they primarily feed on marine mammals and fish, there are instances where humans have been mistaken for prey. It is important to emphasize that the chances of encountering a great white shark and experiencing an attack are incredibly low. In fact, the number of reported great white shark attacks on humans remains relatively uncommon, with approximately 30 to 35 incidents per year worldwide. However, it is crucial to acknowledge the potential severity of such encounters. A single bite from a great white shark can cause severe injuries, including deep lacerations and tissue damage. Surviving an attack requires immediate medical attention and often extensive rehabilitation. Therefore, it is vital to exercise caution and adhere to safety measures when engaging in water activities in areas known to be inhabited by great white sharks. The ocean is home to a variety of fish species that possess unique characteristics and, in some cases, can be dangerous to humans. Understanding the behavior and potential dangers associated with these fish is crucial for ensuring personal safety when engaging in activities in their environments. Responsible interactions, conservation efforts, and respecting their habitats contribute to maintaining a harmonious coexistence between humans and the diverse marine life of our oceans. If you enjoyed today's video and stayed until the end, please hit that like and subscribe button along with that bell icon so that you can be notified each time we post. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.